Good evening. I'd like to welcome everyone to this fabulous event on a somewhat chilly Friday evening. So thank you everyone for making it out. We've put together a really fantastic program for you. There is fashion, there will be dancing, we've got some amazing community leaders, we've got DJ Shoes with some really fantastic music. And this event, of course, would never have been possible without the sponsors. And of course, I'll give them a little bit of a shout out later. A little bit about me. My name is Maniza Sheikh. I am a lawyer in Toronto. My forte generally is law and politics. And I do some work for the CBC, the CTV and CP24. But I'm also a wannabe fashionista. And so I'm so lucky and so fortunate to have received this invitation to MC for you guys today. They dressed me up. I came in like a pair of track pants and a sweater, and they gave me this fabulous outfit to wear, which is Page, by the way. So I'm so happy and so thrilled to be here with you folks. Generally speaking, when looking at South Asian culture here in Canada, we really have such an amazing, rich South Asian culture. And so much of that, as we all know, has to do with the fashion, the colors, the food, the music, and the movies, of course. So this event is brought to you by Shadi Television. So that's who it's all about, folks. It's all about Shadi Television. Can I get a round of applause, please? So, what is Shadi Television? Shadi Television is the first Canadian TV channel that focuses specifically on the wedding industry. Now, I hear that the wedding industry here in Canada is something like $5 billion. And as we all know, the South Asian wedding market is a fair amount of that $5 billion market. And so Shadi Television is the first channel of its kind, the first platform of its kind, which is going to bring to its viewers, whether you're getting married or whether you're attending a wedding, everything you could possibly need, from clothing to decor to food, really just one focal place. So they are the folks that have put together this fantastic event. We've got some amazing clothes, we've got some really attractive people back there who want to come out and show off. So I'm going to get the show started with our very first designer.
Oh.
So, our first designer for the evening, and I will say to all of our media friends and to everyone with a phone, you are going to be tempted to take photos, and please go ahead and take them, but if you could just be mindful of your flash, that would be wonderful. So to all of our media friends and to everybody with a phone, just no flashes, please. Otherwise, DJ Shoes is going to be playing some great music, so feel free to dance in your seat. So our first designer is Shifani Annie, so let's give it up for her.